Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. In this video we are going to talk about something very exciting. Poshmark released a new feature this morning. It is their shipping discount feature, which I am just really happy about. I feel like it's a good option I feel like it's a good step in the right direction in terms of offering more options for shipping. So we're going to talk about that in today's video. Before I get into the video, I did want to mention a lot of people ask me questions about this, and that is my ring light that I use. I use this thing for everything: YouTube, Instagram, Poshmark, eBay, listing, videos, social media. I use it every day. So I will link that down in the description box, but it is on sale right now for about 50% off. It's a pretty good discount on it, so I will link that for you. I will also link my softbox lights that I use. I do use all three of them, so you don't necessarily need all three of them. If I can recommend anything for you to invest in for your business, it is the ring light. It is adjustable, it gets very bright, you can adjust the brightness on it. You can get by with just the ring light. I do use the softbox lights just because I had them before I had the ring light, and it just makes everything that much brighter. So that does cut down on a lot of editing time. But I will link all of them. You don't have to get all of them. I totally get it if you are, you know, just starting out. But if you can buy anything for your business, I definitely recommend the ring light, and it is at a great price right now. So that is down in the description box and in the comments. Before I get started, let me know in the comments below if you do plan on using this feature, what you think about it. I would love to hear your opinions on it. I know people are going to have differing opinions, and that is perfectly okay. Just really looking to get some feedback on what you think about the new Poshmark feature. Okay, so let's get into it. This morning there were a lot of posts in different Facebook groups. So a couple people posted about it in my POSHBOSS HQ group about Poshmark experiencing some glitches with the shipping labels. Usually, just from past experience, if Poshmark is having any sort of glitch, it usually means they are updating something, and they were. So this morning they released their shipping discount feature, and if you don't know, they have been testing this for a while now. I do believe it is now rolled out to everyone. I'm not sure if that differs between iOS and Android. Let me know in the comments if you have the feature, if you don't have the feature. But I do believe it is now officially rolled out to everyone. They have been beta testing this for a while. But basically, it gives you the ability to offer shipping discounts up front in your listings. So when you list an item, you can automatically put a shipping discount on it. So if you are listing something, and I will put this up on the screen for you to see it, but basically if you go into one of your Poshmark listings and you are either listing something new, or you can go into one of your current listings and you just click on the edit button, and you go down to where it says where you price the item, and right below where you price the item, it is going to have a box for the shipping discount. So you click on the shipping discount and you're going to have several options. So you don't have to use this feature. This is completely optional. Just want to say that first. I know a lot of people, maybe not a lot of people, but some people are not going to like this. So you don't have to use it. This is completely optional. This is Poshmark giving you the ability to offer your customers cheaper shipping options. These options do come out of your earnings. So whatever shipping discount you choose to use, that is going to come out of your earnings, and it will reflect that. If you choose a shipping discount and go back to the next screen, it will show you what your final earnings will be after offering the shipping discount. So you have a few different options. You can offer $1.50 off shipping, which currently makes it $5.95. You can offer $2.46 off of shipping, which brings it to $4.99, or you can offer free shipping. So these are the options you have. You choose which one that you want to do, and you click apply, and then you go back to the screen and it will show you your total earnings when sold, including the shipping discount. So just some first impressions. I think this is an amazing feature. I think it's great to be able to offer your customers shipping discounts. I've always said that. So if you click apply and then you list the item, and then you go into the listing and you scroll down to where it shows the shipping, it will show the customer on the listing that you are offering a shipping discount for this item, whether it's free shipping, $4.99 shipping, whichever you choose to do, it is right there. So first impressions on this, I think it's going to be most effective if it says free shipping. I know that's not what people want to hear, but you know, we live in this sort of Amazon time where people want free shipping and expedited shipping, and if you have a listing that says free shipping on it, that is going to give you an edge over other people. So I think this is going to be a game changer, honestly, in how many sales you can make. When they first rolled out the ability to offer shipping discounts, that completely changed my reselling business, just because I've been selling on Poshmark since 2014. So when first started selling on Poshmark, the only time we could offer people shipping discounts was during closet clear out, and that is when the shipping discount was offered by Poshmark. And closet clear out was not as common as it is today. Closet clear out used to only be usually on a holiday weekend, and it was maybe once or twice per quarter. It was not on a weekly basis like it is now. So when they first rolled this out and you could give people shipping discounts, I made so many more sales. And you know, still to this day, I make sales using the offer to likers with a shipping discount. If you have the ability to put a shipping discount on your listing and put free shipping in front of your customer, I feel like that's going to make them more likely to buy the item outright if it says free shipping on it. And then, you know, they still might send you an offer and they want the free shipping. So I'm not 100% sure how that works, just because they just rolled this out today. But I imagine the shipping will still stay the same if you have it set at free shipping and they send you an offer. I imagine it will stay at free shipping. So and you don't have to do free shipping. You can do one of the other options that's just a discount on the shipping. In my opinion, if something says free shipping, the customer is going to be more likely to buy that item over an item that does not say free shipping. And they have not done this yet, but I do imagine they will be implementing a filter that will allow people to filter by shipping discount. On eBay, you can go on eBay and you can search for something and you can filter by free shipping. Not everyone does it, but you know, when Poshmark shipping is almost $8, I imagine if they implement a filter that filters for free shipping, a lot of people will be doing that. So these are just things that you need to be thinking about. I will be doing live training on pricing. So if you are interested in participating in the live training, definitely send me an email. My email is poshbosshq@gmail.com, and I can send you the information on that, just because I want to do a live training and sort of talk about strategies and using this feature in coordination with how you are pricing your items. So definitely send me an email if you are interested. I think this feature is going to be a really advanced tool for sellers to use in terms of making more sales on Poshmark. I think if you utilize this correctly, it could change your business. So, you know, if you're not making as many sales as you would like to, definitely consider using this. You know, you don't have to use this as well. You can always still just offer shipping discounts through the offers to likers feature. You know, I'm interested to see how long it will take customers to figure out to notice the shipping discount, because I'm not sure how they're marketing this to customers. definitely experiment with it. You know, try out different things, try out free shipping, try out discounted shipping, see what you have the best results with. Again, this is just rolled out today, so I am going to be trying it out and seeing you know, what happens, if it increases my sales, if I get more sales doing offers to likers versus offering a discount, and we shall see what happens. But I am very excited that Poshmark has implemented this new shipping feature, and again, I would love to hear your opinions on it, so definitely leave those in the comments for me, and I will see you guys in the next